campus recruits, please assemble near the headquarters as the Avengers welcome General Okoye of the Dora Milaje to make a brief announcement.
Good morning. I stand before you on behalf of the Kingdom of Wakanda. Since the great King Bashinga, the Black Panther has been the protector of Wakanda. Today is a great day of celebration, for I am honored to introduce to you the latest warrior to assume the mantle. Please welcome the Black Panther. The Black Panther is always getting into mischief. You may be the Black Panther, but you still have things to learn.
Hello everyone! I am honored to join you today. The Black Panther has never failed to protect Wakanda, and I am proud to continue that tradition. Wakanda forever!